Fans may soon be able to legally generate AI remixes of songs of their favorite artists on Spotify. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Place. Spotify and Universal Music Group announced licensing agreements that will allow Spotify premium users to create AI-generated covers and remixes using music from participating artists and songwriters. Chairman and CEO Universal Music Group Lucian Grange said it'll bring artists and fans closer together and called this update an AI-enabled superfan initiative, which is designed to support human artistry, deepen fan relationships, and create additional revenue opportunities for artists and songwriters. Universal Music Group represents artists including Taylor Swift, Chappell, Roan, The Weeknd, Sabrina, Carpenter, Lana Post Malone, Billie, Eilish, and Olivia, Rodrigo. The fight over AI-generated music grew in 2023 after a fake song using AI versions of Drake and The Weeknd's voices spread across Spotify and YouTube before Universal Music Group forced platforms to remove it. More recently, Taylor Swift moved to trademark parts of her voice and image after AI-generated deepfakes and fake endorsements targeting the singer spread online. The announcement also comes as tech platforms increasingly experiment with AI remix tools. Spotify said the new tool will launch as a paid add-on for Spotify premium subscribers. Fans will be able to generate licensed covers and remixes, while participating artists and songwriters will receive compensation tied to the AI-generated works created on the platform. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications.